What we're going to do here is we're going to multiply fractions. So what you have here is the given 2 over 3 multiplied by 6 over 7. So the beauty of multiplying fractions is that we could easily multiply the numerator of the first term to the second term. So numerator to numerator and then denominator to the denominator. So in here we have 2 multiplied by 6. That would be our numerator 12. And for denominator, that would be 3 times 7. That is equal to 21. So this one could be an answer, but this one is not yet on its simplest form. So what we're gonna do is to get its factorization. This one is 4 times 3, and the denominator is 7 times 3. So we could easily cancel their commonalities of the factors, and that would be 3. We cancel that one out, and what's left on our numerator is 4, and the denominator is 7. Therefore, the simplified answer for this one, so this one is 4 over 7. So this one is the simplified answer of our initial answer. So it could be 12 or 21, but most of the time, the choices being shown would be on its simplest form. That would be 4 over 7. So let us have some problems here. We are going to multiply the following. So we have number 1, that would be 1 over 3 multiplied by 13. So if we have a whole number on our given, it is automatically having a denominator of 1. So it's not presented because it's understood. So in here, we're just going to multiply the numerator to numerator. That would be 1 times 13. That would be 13. And we have 3 times 1. Or you will just have to directly copy 3 here. So in here, we have an improper fraction of 13 over 3. Both of them are prime, so this one is already in its simplest form. So this could be an answer, or we could have the mixed fraction answer. We just have to divide the numerator with its denominator. So that would be 13 divided by 3. So that would be equal to 4. 4 times 3, that would be 12. 13 minus 12, that would be equal to 1. So our quotient would be the mixed number. Our remainder would be our numerator, and our divisor would be our denominator on this setup. So we have the improper form of the answer and the mixed fraction form of the answer. So both of these are valid answers. It depends on the choices which one is being shown. So the next problem, that would be 2 minus 2 on our numerator is over 4 multiplied by 4. So in here we have an automatic 1, and that's the denominator because this is a whole number. So 2 minus 2 is actually equal to 0. So in here, 0 divided by 4, or 0 over 4, or we could just multiply. That would be 4 times 0, that would be 0. 4 times 1, that would be 4. So in here, 0 being divided with any number, that is just equal to 0. So don't be confused about this one, because this one is a valid operation. We will divide 0 with a number, it's valid. So the answer with this one is 0. So lastly, we have 4 over 2 minus 2 multiplied by 1 over 4. So this is like the reciprocal of the given. But in here, our denominator here would become 0. And this one is our concern. So if a denominator that is 0, that is actually an invalid given. And with this one is an error problem. So this is an erroneous problem. You can't divide a number with a 0. You can't have a divisor that is 0. We can't have a denominator that is equal to 0 because that is an erroneous problem. So this problem, you should have to expect that this one would have no answer. And if it is an exam or a diagnostic test, it should have to be an error answer or a no answer or an erroneous one. So an erroneous problem. So I hope that you are cleared with this one. Multiplying fractions in the operation of fractions is the easiest among all of the operations. So this is much easier than addition, subtraction, and much better than division. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video and have enjoyed the problems. So don't be confused about this one. Somehow, this is quite a bit confusing. You are going to divide 0 with any number, that's valid. You will have an answer of 0 instead. But dividing a number with 0, that is an erroneous problem. It should have no answer at all.